and welcome to the Maghrib Minute. These are tonight's top stories. According to the Oman Met Department, the Dhofar region will witness heavy rains and thunderstorms from Wednesday onwards. Salalah has registered 48.5 millimeters of rain from June 21 to July 18, compared to 4 millimeters recorded during the same period last year. At least one hostage and 2 attackers have been killed in northern France. French police neutralized 2 men armed with blades who had taken several people hostage in a church on Tuesday. A solar-powered aircraft successfully completed the first fuel-free flight around the world on Tuesday. The plane, Solar Impulse 2, touched down in Abu Dhabi at 4 a.m. today. The Swiss team is campaigning to bolster support for clean energy. Follow us on Instagram for all the news updates of the day.